Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Hello everyone, Braimoh here. Welcome to the channel, the FAM Podcast. Today, I want to share with you certain behavior we exhibit that really affect our time. It's easy to get caught up in relationships and connections that drain us rather than lift us up. But it's time to change the narrative. If you follow the FAM Podcast, our aim is to promote our well-being. But one thing I want to talk about when it comes to time is investing in those who love you. Think about the people in your life right now who have always had your back through thick and thin. They are the ones who celebrate your success. They've been there during the darkest hour. It's these relationships that deserve your time and your energy. Imagine a friend who always lends a listening ear and offers unwavering support even when times are tough. That's the kind of person worth investing in. Number 2, set boundaries with energy drainers. On the other side, there are those who always seem to show up when they need something from you, be it your energy, your emotions, or even your money. It's essential to recognize these energy drainers and set a clear boundaries. Imagine someone who constantly brings negative energy into your life, leaving you feeling drained and depleted. Your mental well-being is yours to look after. Self-care has no alternative. Be wise. Number 3, prioritize self-care. Like I said earlier, self-care is not negotiable. It's not selfish to prioritize your well-being and peace of mind. No. Surround yourself with positivity and support, and don't hesitate to distance yourself from toxic influences. For instance, consider the feeling of relief and freedom when you let go of relationships that no longer serve you. It's like removing a weight from your shoulders, allowing you to focus on things that matters to you. Don't let them drain your energy. Number 4, embrace financial literacy. To be honest, personal finance is indeed personal. Just as we choose where to invest our time and energy, we must also be mindful of how we manage our finances. Just think of the sense of security and empowerment that comes from being financially literate and independent and surrounded by a supportive network of loved ones that genuinely care about you. That's the ultimate investment in yourself and your happiness. In conclusion, be intentional about where you invest your time, effort, and resources. Surround yourself with those who lift you higher and distance yourself from those who bring you down. Remember, like I always say, self-care and personal finance go hand in hand. Choose wisely and watch your life flourish. Until then, stay safe, stay fabulous, and thank you for tuning in. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more contents like this. Until next time, take care and invest wisely. And remember, personal finance is personal. Bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.